Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get up and running in minutes with n8n, the powerful workflow automation platform hosted on our infrastructure, which is 100% on cloud. We'll walk through how it works, the different plans we offer, key features, and I'll even do a live demo of spinning up an instance and building a simple workflow. So if you're ready to automate everything from apps to emails to spreadsheets, let's get started. And thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing these videos. Drop in a comment if any aspect is not clear, or you can also reach out our friendly sales team or open a chat. You go to cloudmysite.com, click on self-hosted n8n. This is the landing page you will come in. And n8n, just for a quick overview, is an open source workflow automation tool designed to connect your apps, data sources, and business logic with minimal code. You visually build workflows via a drag and drop editor, trigger from webhooks, APIs, or schedules, branch logic, run loops, and integrate with hundreds of tools. And according to n8n official documentation, the one that we offer, it's a community edition, it's self-hosted. It supports a large set of built-in nodes, custom code, HTTP calls, data transformation, and more. The advantage of using n8n is you gain full control over your data and workflows. At CloudMySite, we host your own dedicated instance on cloud. So you own your data, you install whatever custom nodes you need, you get full control of the server, and you can do whatever installation is required. And you're not locked into per task pricing the way many other automation platforms are. On our n8n page, we say, you own your data, self-hosted, network isolation, full control. So whether you're syncing CRM records, enriching leads, automating reports, or building backend services, n8n is a strong fit. And hosting with CloudMySite gives you the infrastructure, backups, monitoring, and world-class support without the heavy lift of managing, installing operations yourself. It's a fully 100% managed infrastructure. It's predictable pricing. There is no gotchas, and you could click to the pricing. So you see the different plans available. It is less than the most popular platform you could get. And you get a 7-day free trial as well. You get a free custom domain to do your work from cloudmysite.co with a free SSL. And yes, you can bring your own domain, and we'll handle the DNS SSL for you. You can install custom nodes and AI integration. You're free to install any NPM-based node or community node. Scaling and upgrades, the initial plan, they give you the 2 vCPUs, burstable, SSD persistent storage, and a fair use 4 terabyte per month outbound data allowance. You can always upgrade your CPU, RAM, and storage with just a click. Automated backups plus monitoring. You get daily backups of your n8n config as well as weekly backup or monthly depending on the plan. And your n8n instance is on dedicated cloud infrastructure. There is no sharing. There is no noisy neighbors. So you get all the more performance for a lot less compared to other hosting providers, and that too on cloud with the reliability of cloud. And also, unlike some automation tools that charge per step or per task on hosting, the limitation is resource tier and plan, not each workflow execution. And we have global regions. You could check the list. It's geographically located. You could choose the regions in US, Europe, Asia, where you are co-located. That will help keep the latency low and data responsive. Now let's walk over about the plans we offer. The starter plan is what we recommend. It works for individual developers or for business. You could go for the higher instance. You always get a free domain. You could always purchase your own domain and attach it. And there's a free trial for 7 days. And just a quick tip, when choosing your plan, estimate how many workflows you run, how many automations triggered per month, and how much data you'll move, especially outbound. That will help you pick a resource tier that avoids bottleneck or surprise over usage. And this is where what recommendation is for most developers. The starter one is a good starting point. The solo one is for somebody who is just renting out. And you can always go with solo, eventually to upgrade if your workflows are getting more and more. But this is the plan you can check, and you can explore each of these options. With this, let's jump into a live demo where I'll launch a plan and we will see the whole process working end to end. So in here, I'll go for the solo. Click Get Started. You can always create your account. You can sign in with Google. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. Once sign in, you will see this option where you could choose the duration. 48 months will give you the lowest pricing. But you could also start with 1 month. You can start with 1 month. You could always upgrade to 36 months. And here are the hosting regions. You could choose throughout the world. You would see there are right from Africa, Asia, Australia, and throughout the globe. You could choose the region that is closest to you, depending on your location. I'll choose Canada Rockies. You could always pay with a credit card, debit card, and for our consumers in India, we also provide UPI integration with Razorpay. So you have multiple payment options. You could choose the one which your country is most favorable to. And I'll just choose apply with credit card, debit card, and we can do the payment and proceed to the next step. Okay, payment is successful. And now we should see the instance being provisioned. This is where you will see all the details of the instance setup being done. And this will be in Canada's Calgary region. So payment is confirmed, your server is provisioning, and all the status will show up here. And when running, you will receive an email with your domain URL and that you can use to log into your instance. So this is your n8n GUI that will be shown once you click on the link. You can create an account. It doesn't take much. All you have to provide is your email, your first, last name, password. Once done, you will be able to log in. And this is where you can create a workflow. There are many tutorials out there on how you can create a workflow. Even we have published a lot of videos on how to create a workflow for n8n. If you have your dedicated server, dedicated storage, regular backups, all just at a click of a button at a minimal cost. If you have to do all the setup yourself, it is very basic, very minimum for you to do. Now, once the server is set up, you can do the administration as well. So for which you can come to the dashboard. This is your dashboard link. You can come here, select the light and dark setup, and click on hosting and come to n8n hosting. And this is where you could just feel free to select light and dark. And here, this is where you will see your data with your available domain, your region, when it created, the duration and the amount that and you will see the status it is running. You have full control to start, stop, or reboot, or refresh the status. If I stop it from here, I will be able to see the status change to stop. So you get full control in case, based on your workflows, your server may be loaded or there's too much traffic. You can have full control and just simply come here and reboot. So the server has stopped, after which you can start it back up. So you have full control on your server. And this is where you also can reboot. After which you can also click on analytics to get your instance metrics. You can hit the widget, and this is where you could see the CPU network widget. You could choose the duration, 12 hours, 3 days, 1 week, or you could make it custom to your liking, and accordingly, the data will be displayed. There are additional metrics such as Google search, but for that, you need to have your own domain. You cannot use the domain that is provided by CloudMySite. Similarly, for website configuration, all that configuration you will be getting once you get your own domain. Likewise, even for website analytics. Now, if you want to cancel your plan for any reason, you could always click cancel, and after your term, it will be canceled. This is where you could try it out if you want, or if it's required, then you can cancel after the specified time. You could provide this thing and your account will be cancelled. A support team will help you out. So with this, you see how user-friendly it is to spin up n8n and with all your control. And there's a friendly support team waiting in case you run into any issues. With this, we have come to the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, share the channel, and forward the self-hosted n8n setup to any of your friends or technical people who would be interested in creating workflows, AI workflows. Drop in a comment if anything else you is not here or any aspects you want to check out. Thank you and have a good day.